On April 11, 2025, Kerala made history by becoming the first state in India to launch an online permanent Lok Adalat system, a groundbreaking initiative aimed at transforming the delivery of justice through digital innovation. Spearheaded by the Kerala State Legal Services Authority (KELSA), this move marks a significant milestone in enhancing access to dispute resolution, particularly for marginalized communities and those in remote areas. With the system set to be fully operational from the first week of May 2025, it promises to streamline legal processes, reduce backlogs, and make justice more affordable and efficient for citizens across the state. The genesis of Lok Adalats in India. To appreciate the significance of Kerala's online permanent Lok Adalat, it's essential to understand the concept of Lok Adalats in India. Lok Adalat, meaning People's Court, is an alternative dispute resolution (ADR) mechanism rooted in the Legal Services Authorities Act, 1987. Unlike traditional courts, Lok Adalats focus on amicable settlements through mediation and conciliation, avoiding adversarial litigation. They handle a range of disputes, including civil matters, matrimonial issues, motor accident claims, and certain compoundable criminal cases. Their awards are legally binding, equivalent to court decrees, and notably parties incur no court fees, making them a cost-effective option. Permanent Lok Adalats, a subset of this system, were established under the same act to address specific public utility disputes, such as those related to electricity, water supply, or transportation services, with a monetary ceiling of up to 1 crore rupees. Unlike national Lok Adalats, which are held periodically, permanent Lok Adalats function regularly, offering a consistent platform for dispute resolution. Kerala currently hosts 3 permanent Lok Adalats in Thiruvananthapuram, Ernakulam, and Kozhikode, each serving as a hub for resolving disputes efficiently. Kerala's digital leap, the Online Permanent Lok Adalat. The launch of Kerala's Online Permanent Lok Adalat services introduces a paradigm shift in how justice is accessed. The initiative, inaugurated by Kerala High Court Chief Justice Nitin M. Jamdar in Kochi, allows citizens to file cases and participate in hearings virtually, eliminating the need for physical appearances. This digital platform, developed by KELSA, is designed to bridge the justice gap, particularly for those who face geographical, financial, or logistical barriers. By leveraging technology, Kerala aims to make dispute resolution faster, more inclusive, and less intimidating for ordinary citizens. The online system enables applicants to submit their cases from anywhere in the state, saving time, travel costs, and resources. Once a case is filed, it is processed through a secure digital interface, with hearings conducted via video conferencing. This setup ensures that even individuals in rural or remote areas who might otherwise struggle to access urban-based Lok Adalats can seek redress. The platform also includes provisions for online mediation, where trained conciliators facilitate settlements, maintaining the collaborative spirit of the Lok Adalat system. Why this matters? Addressing India's judicial backlog. India's judicial system is notoriously overburdened, with over 50 million cases pending across various courts as of 2025. The Supreme Court, High Courts, and lower judiciary grapple with delays that can stretch years, leaving litigants frustrated and justice elusive. Lok Adalats have long been a beacon of hope in this scenario, resolving millions of cases annually through their informal and expeditious approach. For instance, the first National Lok Adalat of 2025, held on March 8, settled over 1.5 crore cases nationwide, demonstrating the system's efficacy. Kerala's online initiative takes this a step further by addressing specific pain points. Traditional Lok Adalats, while effective, require physical presence, which can be a hurdle for the elderly, disabled, or those with limited means. The online platform removes these barriers, aligning with the broader vision of a digitally empowered judiciary. It also reduces the strain on physical infrastructure, allowing permanent Lok Adalats to handle more cases without logistical constraints. By making the process paperless and remote, Kerala is setting a precedent for sustainable judicial reform. Impact on marginalized communities. One of the most lauded aspects of Kerala's online Lok Adalat system is its potential to empower marginalized groups. Women, low-income individuals, and residents of remote areas often face disproportionate challenges in accessing justice. The digital platform levels the playing field by enabling them to participate without the need for costly travel or time away from work. For example, a domestic worker in a rural district can now file a dispute over unpaid wages or a utility issue directly from her smartphone, attend a virtual hearing, and secure a resolution, all without leaving her village. This inclusivity aligns with KELSA's mission to prioritize vulnerable populations. The authority has emphasized that the online system will feature user-friendly interfaces, multilingual support, and dedicated helplines to assist those unfamiliar with digital tools. Additionally, KELSA plans to conduct awareness campaigns to ensure that citizens, especially in underserved areas, are informed about the platform and how to use it. The technology behind the transformation. The success of Kerala's Online Permanent Lok Adalat hinges on robust technological infrastructure. The platform integrates secure case management systems, video conferencing tools, and e-payment gateways for any applicable settlements. Data privacy and cybersecurity are paramount, with KELSA implementing encryption and authentication protocols to protect sensitive information. The system is also designed to be scalable, allowing it to handle increasing caseloads as more citizens adopt the platform. To ensure accessibility, the platform is compatible with basic smartphones and low-bandwidth internet connections, acknowledging India's diverse digital landscape. KELSA has partnered with local governance bodies and NGOs to set up facilitation centers in areas with limited internet access, where citizens can receive assistance in filing cases or joining hearings. This blend of cutting-edge technology and grassroots support underscores Kerala's commitment to leaving no one behind. Challenges and the road ahead. While the initiative has been widely praised, it is not without challenges. Digital literacy remains a hurdle in parts of Kerala, particularly among older generations and rural communities. KELSA will need to invest in training programs and outreach to ensure widespread adoption. Connectivity issues, though less prevalent in Kerala compared to other states, could still pose problems in remote areas. Additionally, the success of online hearings depends on the willingness of parties to engage in virtual mediation, which may require cultural shift for some litigants accustomed to in-person proceedings. Skeptics might argue that the informality of Lok Adalats, while a strength, could lead to rushed settlements in a digital format, potentially compromising fairness. However, KELSA has clarified that the online system will uphold the same standards of impartiality and transparency as physical Lok Adalats, with trained mediators overseeing every case. The authority also plans to monitor the platform's performance closely, gathering feedback to refine its features. Looking ahead, Kerala's model could inspire other states to follow suit. Posts on X have already called for nationwide adoption, reflecting public enthusiasm for the initiative. If successful, the Online Permanent Lok Adalat could become a blueprint for modernizing India's justice delivery system, reducing the burden on courts and empowering citizens to resolve disputes swiftly and equitably. A broader vision for justice, Kerala's Online Permanent Lok Adalat is more than a technological innovation, it's a statement of intent. It reflects the state's progressive ethos and its judiciary's commitment to accessible, affordable justice. Chief Justice Nitin M. Jamdar, during the inauguration, emphasized that the initiative aligns with the Kerala High Court's vision of leveraging technology to serve every citizen, regardless of their socio-economic status. The timing is also significant. As India navigates rapid digitization and grapples with judicial backlog, solutions like Kerala's offer a path forward. The initiative complements other tech-driven judicial reforms, such as e-courts and virtual hearings, which gained traction during the COVID-19 pandemic. By institutionalizing online Lok Adalats, Kerala is not only addressing immediate needs, but also future-proofing its justice system. Conclusion. Kerala's launch of India's first online permanent Lok Adalat services is a landmark achievement that redefines access to justice. By harnessing technology, the state is breaking down barriers, empowering citizens, and setting a new standard for dispute resolution. As the system rolls out in May 2025, all eyes will be on its impact, both in transforming lives and inspiring a national movement toward digital justice. For a country burdened by judicial delays, Kerala's initiative is a beacon of hope, proving that innovation and empathy can go hand in hand to deliver justice for all.